I wake up in the morning, I wash my face, I take a cup of tea, I brush my teeth, and I run to school. How are you? Are you okay? Are you fine? Did you brush your teeth this morning? And what did you use? It's your teacher Anauncieta. Welcome to Easy Elimu Learning Simplified. Now, we're still talking about the body care, and now we want to talk about the materials used to clean the different parts of the body. The different parts of the body. The main parts that we are supposed to clean, apart from just cleaning the whole body, there are parts we need to put in more emphasis. We are talking about the face. Which materials are used to clean this part? Who can name for me some of the materials that are used to clean the face? For me to clean my face, I need soap. True or false? I need water. What else do I need? We are saying for me to clean this face, I need soap. We have done this before. I need water. What else do I need? John, you need face towel. Okay? And lastly, what else do you need? You have now cleaned the face with soap and water with the face towel. You need to apply body oil. You don't leave your face ugly. It must look shiny and very glowing. Those are the things that you'll need for you to clean the face. We are now on the second part of the body. We have talked about the face. What do I need when I want to clean the teeth? We are saying the teeth are found in the mouth. I want to clean my teeth. I want to clean the teeth. We are talking about both the things that are bought from the shop and things that you can improvise as a person. We are saying I'll need toothbrush, and if I don't have a toothbrush, I will use a chewed stick. If I don't have a toothbrush, I'll use a chewed stick. Then I also need toothpaste. And now, if I don't have toothpaste, what do I use? I will use salt. If you don't have toothpaste, don't say, I didn't brush my teeth this morning because I didn't have toothpaste. Use salt. And remember, for us to remove the toothpaste from the mouth, the taste of toothpaste, we need what? Water. We need water. For us to remove that taste of toothpaste from our mouth, we need water. We go on to our third part. These are the main parts we put on more emphasis because of breath, because of appearance. And you see, the first appearance will always tell someone, this person is a person who loves hygiene, and this person is a person who does not care about his or her body. Hands. Hands are the things. Hand is a part of the body that can mess up big time. Do you know that? Why? Hands can cause someone to have a stomach ache. Hands can cause someone to have a stomach ache. So, for you to maintain your hygiene all throughout, if you have to be very careful, if you have to be very, very sensitive with this part of the body, it is the hand that requires sensitivity, because hands do everything on our body. They're the one that put the food in our mouth. They're the one that washes the face. They're the one that cleans the nose. They're the one that cleans the teeth. So if you're not very careful about how you clean your hands, I'm sure you want to suffer big time. So we're talking about materials used to clean the hands. What do I need to clean my hands? What have we talked about? We have talked about the soap gel or soap. You can use the soap gel or soap depending on what is available. And we are saying, for me to clean this hand, I need water. We need water to clean the hands. What else are we forgetting? And sometimes you can just dry them using a towel and apply some little body oil to make them look shiny and not crack. There are some soap gels that are not very friendly to our skin. And if you keep on washing hands with them without applying some oil, you will find out that you will always have cracks on your hands. And it's because of that soap gel or soap you use to clean your hands. Now, and remember, the hands also have fingers on them. Do you know hands have fingers on them? So, can you clean the hands and leave the fingers? No, we must clean the fingers too. And what else will you need here? You will need a nail cutter. A nail cutter. You will need a nail cutter to make sure the whole hand is clean. To make sure the whole hand is clean. We have finished cleaning our hands. Then we move on to the next part, which is the nose. Do we walk with dirty nose around? Imagine when you're eating and you meet someone with very dirty nose, mucus all over. When he or she is cleaning, uses the hand, so the hands are dirty, the mucus is all over the face. Will you be able to eat? Will you be able even to tolerate to look at that person? No, because of the appearance. And remember, the nose is on the face. So that is the first part of the body someone looks at you. Your hands, you can hide them behind ears like this and walk around when they are dirty, but which it's not healthy. But face, you cannot walk like this. Can you walk like this forever? No. At one particular point, you'll have to look at people. And in fact, looking at people with dirty face, looking at the eyes, and you have some dirt in the eyes, then mucus is all over the face. Just messy. So we have to clean our nose. And what do we need for us to clean this nose? One most important thing. It is the handkerchief. What do we need to clean our nose? We need the handkerchief. I want to clean the nose. What am I supposed to use? I am using the handkerchief. Look at the spelling of the word handkerchief. And in the case where I don't have a handkerchief, I use a clean piece of cloth. Did I say dirty? No. I said it must be clean piece of cloth. Clean piece of cloth. Okay? Then we are talking about ear. How do we clean the ear? Who knows how we are supposed to clean the ear? Someone remind me, do we keep on taking sharp objects and poking them in the ear every now and then? No, it is very dangerous. You can harm your eardrum. So for this ear, we might need things we call the earbuds. And in the case where we don't have an earbud, we use a clean piece of cloth. In a case where you don't have an earbud, don't tell me, I didn't clean my ears because I didn't have earbuds. You can use a clean piece of cloth. Okay? And then we are talking about the feet. The feet, which is also the leg. Now, what am I supposed to use to clean this part of the body? What should I use to clean this part of the body? Have you cleaned your feet before? What have you used? Teacher, you will need the sponge. Very good. You will need the sponge to clean the feet. Again, we also need the nail cutter because the feet have nails, toes that have nails. We also need the pumice stone. We need the pumice stone to clean these feet. Okay? And you've said we also need water. Don't miss out. We need water to clean these feet. And when you need water, you must have soap. Don't tell me, teacher, I cleaned the feet without soap. You must have feet. For you to clean your feet, you must have sponge, you must have a nail cutter, you must have a pumice stone, and water and soap. These are basically the parts of the body that requires frequent cleaning, thorough cleaning for us to maintain the hygiene. Of course, we are not saying that you cannot clean the other part of the body. You're supposed to clean the whole body. But when you look at these parts of the body, they're the ones that show the first impression. Now, the question here is match the body part. You're matching the body part. And of course, I hope you have copied this in your book. Match the body part and the cleaning material. Match the body parts and cleaning material. So you must know what exactly should be where. Number 1, I have the nose. Number 2, I have the nails. Number 3, I have the ear. Number 4, I have the leg. And you say, last but not least, I have the toothbrush. So the question is match the body part and the cleaning material. Match the body part and the cleaning material. So from our work today, you will be able to understand which material is used to clean which part of the body. Is that okay? Are we together, boys and girls? Are we writing? After this, I'm taking the books for marking. So you should be able to write very fast and finish on time. Okay? I hope you're finished writing. Any question up to there? Who has any question or who feels that needs to get more and more explanation on this? Any question? Now, copy that in your books. This one will be for homework, but for that one, I want to mark it right away. These are very simple exercises that should be done immediately and done very nice. Any question? Any problem? Thank you very much, and I hope to see you in the next lesson. Thank you.